Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get VIP status on SweetMeet chat application. So first of all, you need to log in your account, then tap on the open button. So you can see it's your home page. So what you need to do, tap here, you can see three line left of corner of your screen, and you can see here the option go profile. This one go profile, simply tap here, then you have to. So once you come here, then you can see here on your profile page get VIP status. So here you can see and how many picture you will get here. See people who like you, you can see who like your photos, and you can more views of your account, many people who see you. And also there is no app on this app, so simply tap on the get VIP status. So now you can buy, you can see three options, like you can 1 week for on only $1, 1 month for $4, 3 months for $10 to $11. Once you're done, simply tap here buy VIP for 50. So yeah, then you have to add your credit and debit card, and everything is done, then save, then you can continue purchasing this package. So today's no man, see the next video.